hold you close, love, let me keep you safe. Through the storm, I'll be your quiet place. I'll carry your heart when you can't go on. Together we're strong, we'll face the dawn. Let me hold you close, love, when the light's too far. You're my world, my moon, my guiding star. Every tear you cry, every wound that shows, I'll be here to hold you close.
Breaking down, but you're not alone. We'll build a shelter, a place to call home. When the world's too loud, I'll drown it out. When you lose your faith, I'll have no doubt.
Let me hold you close, love, let me keep you safe. In the stillness of the night, a gentle breeze carries whispers of the angels with ease, softly speaking, healing my soul. In their embrace I feel whole. Through the darkness a light appears, guiding me.
Sveiki, šiandien iš Limožo. Šiandien labai gražus oras, saulėtas Limože ir mes esame porceliano muziejuje. Nuostabus muziejus. Pasižiūrėkite kartu su manim. Štai kokios vazos, kokie piešiniai gražus. Tiesiog pasigėrėjimas. Labai gražus muziejus. Geros dienos visiems.